Happy morning, students. Welcome to Grade 10 Mathematics online class, the same chapter, chapter 2 special series. Okay, already in the last class we solved some problems and I gave the homework also, 5 problems homework. I thought you will complete the homework and have you checked with the book back answer, students? Okay, just check with the book back answer and the remaining problems we are going to solve today. Okay, take your textbook, get ready. Shall we move for the class now? Take page number 80 and example 2.56. Okay, 2.56, find the sum of. In the last class we solved the first subdivision only. Remaining 2 subdivisions are there. Listen, find the sum of. So before that we can solve, we can remind the formulas. Okay, let's tell the formulas. 4 formulas we learn now. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n means. First n natural number means n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Next formula 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to square formula. The same term only but we can write it as square. So what's the square formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Got it? Then 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Then one more formula we know, no? One odd natural numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus up to n terms. Number of terms only here, so that is n square. So 4 formulas you need to remember every time whenever you are going to solve this problem, then only you can easily solve these problems. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. First and third formula having the connected with here 1 to n means this term. All the terms comes under cube means the answer will come as square. So that's the difference. So this is a clue for this. You can remind it easily. Now 2.56. Find the sum of first subdivision completed in the last class and now second subdivision. So 5 square plus 10 square plus 15 square plus up to 105. Oh, second subdivision also completed, I think so. Just a minute. Yeah, students, this problem completed, already completed. Now third problem. 15 square plus 16 square plus 17 square plus up to 28 square. Yes. Okay, listen this. Here, the formula definitely, square term means the formula definitely should start with 1. So first you can convert it 1 to that form. Then easily we can solve this problem. Okay. So 15 to 28. How can we solve this? Which is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to, how many terms we need to add? 28 terms we need to add. 28 square minus, from this 28, so this 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to, so from this 28 square we need to subtract how many terms? From the 15 only we need. So 14 terms we need to cancel. So 14 square. Then 2 terms you need to find the answer. Here we know that, mark it as first equation. And we know that what's the square formula? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So that formula you can use here. So first equation implies 15 square plus 16 square plus 17 square up to 28 is equal to, here 1 square to 28 square. So in the place of n you should replace it by 28. So 28 into 28 plus 1 into 2 into 28 by 6. Next term 14 square. So n should be replaced by 14. So 2 times you need to use this formula. Got it, students? So 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 28 square means 28 into 28 plus 1. So 28 plus 1. Next bracket 2 into 28 plus 1. So by 6. This is one term. Minus then 14. This one for the second one. 14 into 14 plus 1 into 2 into 14 plus 1 by 6. Got it? Which is equal to 28 into 28 plus 1, 29 into 2 into 28, double of 28, 56. So 56 plus 1, 57 by 6 minus 14 into 14 plus 1, 15 into 2 into 14, 28. 28 plus 1, 29 by 6. Got it? Which is equal to, just to cancel it, 14, 2 table, 3 times. Then 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 19 times. So 14 into 29 into 19, you will get the answer. Minus, here also any cancellation, 15 and 6 cancel for third table, 2 times, here 5 times. Then 1 2 is 2, 7 2s are 14. So 7 into 5 into 29. Got it? Just multiply this and multiply this, then subtract it, you will get the answer. Got it, students? Shall we do now? This is formula 1. So 14 into, which is equal to, rough work we can do here. So 14 into 29. 4 9s are 36, 3 balance, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8, 2. So 6, 10, 1, 406. So 406 into 19. 54, 36, 604, 4, 11, 7, 7714. Yes, correct. 7714 minus, then multiply this. 7 5s are 35, 35 into 29. 35 into 29. 5, 45, 27, 31, 10, 6, 7, 5, 1, 10. So 1015 minus 1050. And when we subtract, you will get the answer 6699. Got it, students? This is the third problem. Listen carefully. Here 15 to 28 only present. So if you use the formula, means the formula should starts with 1 only. See here, all the terms 1 only the starting. You need to convert in the terms of 1. How? So 1 to 28 terms I am adding, and 1 to 28 terms addition I no need, because 15 to 28 only I need. So just I am subtracting, minus 1 to 14. The reason is, from 15 to 28 the addition terms we need the answer. So 1 to 28 we are adding and subtracting the first 14 terms, and we will get the answer for 15 to 28. So the first one, use the formula one time, and the second one again use the formula, then subtract it and cancel it, you will get the answer. Got it, students? Shall we move for the next problem? Example 2.57. So example 2.57. Find the sum of, there are two subdivisions. First subdivision, listen, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to 16 cube, which is equal to. So we know that here the formula starts with 1 only. So easily you will solve this problem. So solution, we know that 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. This is the answer. This is the formula we are going to use. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to 16 cube. The place of n what is present? 16 is present. So just replace it. So 16 into 16 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Got it? Which is equal to 16 into 17 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to 16 and 2 just to cancel 8. So 8 into 17. Then only you need to take the square. Okay, first cancel it and reduce to the simplest form, then you can take the square, which is equal to 17 8s are 17 into 8, 56, 5 balance, then 13, 136 square. Yeah, 136 square. Then 136 into 136 we need to calculate. Shall we do here? So 136 into 136. 6 6 are 36. 3 balance. 18, 19, 20, 21. Here 6, 7, 8. Here also 18, 9, 10, 1. So 4. Then 6, 3, 1. So 6, 9, 14, 1, 7, 8, 1. 18,496. So this is the correct answer. 18,496. So very simple. Here cube. So the number starts with 1 only. So easily you will solve this. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Then 1 cube to 16 cube, that is 16 into 16 plus 1 2 by the whole square. And just to cancel it and come to the reduced form, then take the square. Got it, students? Shall we move for the next problem, the second subdivision? So you can refer it by seeing the page number 81. Now second subdivision, 9 cube plus 10 cube plus up to 21 cube. Solution. See, comparing this question and this question, what is the difference? Here the question itself starts with 1, 2, 3, but here 9, 10, 11. So normally we need to change this to this form. Got it? Shall we change now? So listen. 9 cube plus 10 cube plus up to 21 cube, which is equal to. So from the starting itself we need to add 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to 21 cube we need to add, then subtract 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to which cube? 9 cube, 10 cube we need. So 8 cube, up to 8 cube we no need. So 8 cube. Then separately you need to use the formula. So first equation, now we know that cube formula only. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So first equation implies 9 cube plus 10 cube plus up to 21 cube is equal to first term. Here 1 to 21. So 21. N should be replaced by 21. So 21 into 21 plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus then 8. 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to, listen carefully, 21 into 21 plus 1, 22 by 2 the whole square minus 8 into 9 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to, here cancel it, come to the reduced form, then take the square, then subtract it. So 21 into 11 the whole square minus here 4. So 4 into 9 the whole square, which is equal to 21 into 11 means 231 the whole square minus 9 4s are 36 the whole square. Now taking the square, then subtract it. That is one form. Another form also will be there. Here a square minus b square, correct? So a plus b into a minus b. So that way also you can find the formula, correct? Listen students, 231 plus 36, that is 267 into this one 195. So I did the calculations here. Then 267 into 195, the answer is 52,065. 52,065, this is the correct answer, and we are going to solve the last example problem in second chapter, that is 58th example in second chapter. Listen carefully. Example 2.58. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n is equal to 666, then find n. It's a very important 2 mark. You need to learn this. So if 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to 666, then find n. See the solution. First one, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n is equal to 666. So what's the formula for this? 1, 2, 3 up to n means n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 666. So from this you need to calculate the value for n. So just multiply this. N into n plus 1 is equal to 12, balance 1. 1332 it will come. Double means. Okay. Just multiply the terms inside. N square plus n and which is equal to 1332. Then n square plus n minus n square plus n minus 1332 is equal to 0. Then this is the quadratic equation. You can solve it by the sum product method. So that is 1332 and 1 you need to get. So what are the factors? Can you guess the factors? So if you multiply 37 and 36, how we can find means 132, factorize it by 2, 666 it will come now. Then 2, 333, then again 311, then again 3, 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, 37. Okay. So 37 is a prime number. It stopped up to this, and this is the collection of prime numbers. Multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Then 36 and 37 is the combination. That way you can find. Okay. So 37 and 36, when we multiply, you are getting 1332, and subtracting time we will get 1. So the symbol comes for 36. So how can you write this? N plus 37 into n minus 36 equal to 0. So n plus 37 equal to 0 or n minus 36 equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 37 or n is equal to 36. So n is a natural number. N should be the natural number because 1 plus 2 plus up to n. This is the collection of natural numbers, and here minus 37 is not a natural number. N should not be equal to minus 37. What is the reason? Since n is a what number? Natural number. N is a natural number. Therefore, hence n is equal to 36. That way you need to find. Okay students, all the examples over in second chapter, and the exercise some problems only. Some we can solve now and the remaining we can solve the next class. Okay. Shall we mark the homework problem now? Okay, take your textbook. Listen carefully. Exercise 2.9, the marked problems already you did in the previous class homework. And let's mark some 3 problems more. See the fifth problem. 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus up to 21 square. This is the square natural number, but it not starts with 1. So you need to reconvert to the square form of starts with 1. So how can we solve this? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to 21 square, and you need to subtract 1 square plus 2 square plus up to 5 square. So automatically you will get the answer. The round one, today's homework. Okay. Then sixth one also you can solve. 10 cube, 11 cube, 12 cube up to 20 cube. It also not starts with 1. So you need to reconvert. You need to convert in the form of 1 cube plus 2 cube. So here 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to 20 cube minus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to 9 cube. In that way you need to solve. Okay. Then write the second question now. Exercise 2.9, second question. Exercise 2.9, second question, very very important question. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k is equal to 325, then find 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to k cube. Okay, listen. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to k is equal to 325. This is given, correct? So given 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k is equal to 325. What is the meaning for this? 1 to n means n into n plus 1 by 2. Here 1 to k means k into k plus 1 by 2 is equal to 325. Mark this as 1. And what is the thing to find? To find 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to k cube. What is the answer for this? The formula 1 cube to n cube means n into n plus 1 by 2. So here k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. But see the first equation, What is the value for k into k plus 1 by 2? 325. Then square. So just to take the square, you will get the answer. So 325. 325 into 325. 5 is 25, 10, 12, 15, 16. Then 10, 4, 5, 6. Then 15, 6, 7, 9. 5, 2, 10, 16, 7, 13, 14, 15. Okay, just wait. Listen students, 325 the whole square is this much number. That is, okay, just check it with your book bag answer. This is the exercise problem, so you must check it with the book bag answer. Okay, got students, shall we move for the third problem now? Write the third problem now. Third problem. Question number 3. If 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to k cube equal to 44,100, then find 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k. This is also a very simple problem. Okay, listen. 7 problems are there. At least 3-4 problems we need to complete. Okay, listen. Solution. What are the given thing? Given 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to k cube equal to 44,100. Correct now? Yes. So here 1 cube to k cube, what is the formula? K into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square, which is equal to 44,100. So mark this is the first equation. Then we need to find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to k. So what's the formula for this? K into k plus 1 by 2. Now substitute this. This one we need to find. So from 1, k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 44,100. But we need to calculate only the inside term. K into k plus 1 by 2 is equal to the square. When going to that side, it will come as root. So 44,100 we need to take the root. Okay. So it should be split as 441 into 100, which is equal to square root we can separate, no? Square root of 441, then square root of 100. Square root of 441 is 21. So 21 and this is 10, which is equal to 210. This is the thing we need to find. To find k into k plus 1 by 2. So k into k plus 1 by 2 is 210. Just check it with your book bag answer, okay? Listen dear students, the question number 4. How many terms of the series? You can see your textbook. Otherwise I will write the question here. How many terms of the series? Series is given as 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to etc. should be taken to get the sum 14,400. Okay, listen carefully. How many terms? Here 1 cube plus 2 cube means 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer not getting. Here 14,400 we need to get. So how many terms we need to add? N only we need to calculate. Okay. So first 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to some terms. How many terms we need to take this? So n cube, which is equal to 14,400. We don't know that one, no? So wait. This is also very simple problem, isn't it? So 1 cube to n cube, what is the formula? N into n plus 1 by 2, the whole square is equal to 14,400. Got it? So n into n only we need to calculate. By 2 is equal to the square when taking this side. So root of 14,400. Just separate it. 144 into 100 we can separate, correct? So separate the root also. 144 into 100. So 144 the root is 12 and 100 the root is 10. So 120. Then n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 120. We need to calculate the value for n only. So n square plus n, which is equal to, just cross multiply, 240. Then collect it in one side. So n square plus n minus 240 equal to 0. Then this one, sum product method, equal to here 1. So 240 we need to factorize. So 240 when we factorize, 2 120, 260, 230, 215. Now check this. Here multiplying time, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 is 16 and 15. So 16 and 15 when we multiply, we will get 240, and then here plus, so minus. 16 minus 15 is 1, and 16 into this. So n plus 16 into n minus 15 equal to 0. Then which number is not possible? N equal to minus 16, n is equal to 15. So n is equal to minus 16 is not possible. Why? Because number of terms. Not possible. Therefore, number of terms to be added equal to 15 terms. So number of terms should be taken. So 15 terms we need to taken to get the sum of 14,400. That's all the concept. Okay, then question number 5. Listen, question number 5. Solution only I am writing. The sum of cubes of first 10 natural numbers. What is the meaning? 1 cube plus 2 cube, please. Up to n cube is equal to 2025. We need to calculate the value for n. So to find n. So here, mark it as first equation. First equation implies, what's the formula? 1 cube plus up to n cube. N into n plus 1 by 2, the whole square is equal to 2025. We need to calculate the value for n. So just n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to, take the square that side. So root 2025. So 2025, how can you find the root? 2025. Here 2, 101. Or 2 we cannot do, no, 5. So 4, 0, 5, 5, 81, then 3, 27, then 3, 9, then 3, 3. So 5 and 3 and 3. 15, 45. Then multiply this. N square plus n by 2. Then n square plus n minus 90 equal to 0. Then sum product method. How can you solve this? Minus 90 and 1. So 90, how can you solve? 90, 245, 5, 9, then 3, 3. So 1099 easily you will get now. Yes. So here minus. So n plus 10 into n minus 9 equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 10, n is equal to 9. The value for n. Okay, listen students, here n is equal to minus 10 is not possible, because since n is natural number. Natural number cannot be negative. Therefore, value of n equal to 9. So the value of n we found. Got it, students? So here 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to n cube they gave. The formula we written, and from this we need to calculate the value for n. So just taking the square at that side, square root, then multiply this 2 into 45, cross multiplication time you will get 90, and one step I didn't write here, n square plus here equal to 90. Then taking this side, so it will come our minus. Then sum factor, sum product method, sum and product method, you can find this. There is 2 factors. After the 2 factors, one should be positive and one should be negative. And that term you need to write here. Here not possible. What is the reason? Since it is a natural number. Natural number cannot be negative, no. So value of n is equal to 9. And how many problems more? 5th problem we completed, no. 6th and 7th problem. 2 problems are there. You can see in the next class. And the formulas, have you marked the students? Formula, please check it. First subdivision fully homework. The tick problems already we did in the last class. And now round problem, 2 problems only. 5th problem and 6th problem. So 5th and 6th problem you need to do as homework, and remaining here 2 problems are there. These 2 problems we can solve in the next class. And before that you should start thorough with the formulas. Whenever you are writing the homework, after finishing the homework, you need to check with the book back answer. Okay. Then once again recall the formula one more time. Just I am asking one formula. 1 square plus 2 square plus up to n square. Which formula? This is the square term. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So that way you need to write all the formulas in your rough note and learn it thoroughly. We can see in the next class. Thank you, students.